Today I'm going to be teaching you how to directly control a desktop or laptop computer using an RDP. An RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, in which you can control a desktop from anywhere, be it yours or someone else's. Now, people usually control theirs because it's not against, it's not against the rules, it's not illegal. But there are some places that do sell RDPs, or there's some people that can get RDPs for you, and that's what I will be showing you. Or this is for how to control your own. Now, keep in mind that this video is only for educational purposes only. If you get in trouble or caught while doing this, I have no affiliation. I'm not responsible for your own actions. To enable it, if you're on Windows 8 or Windows 10, right click and then hit System. After there, it's going to bring up your system properties, go to Remote, and click this box. Allow remote assistance connections to this computer. Then hit Apply and then OK. Now you can close this. Now, an RDP will usually have a server, a username, and a password. Now, you might be saying, how do I access this desktop? How do I use the RDP? Well, there are some apps on mobile, like the one that I would use would be Microsoft Remote Desktop Protocol Viewer or RDP Viewer. But there are some on the computer, like TeamViewer, but that requires you to have TeamViewer installed on both computers already. So there are some where you just enter the server, the username and password, and it'll let you connect automatically. So I'll be showing you one of these programs today. It is called Chrome RDP. This is a very good program, and it's free. First, what you need to do is go to Chrome and go into the Chrome Web Store, and then search in the box Chrome RDP. Scroll down. It'll be the first one, offered by https://goth.fusionlabs.net. Click that one, install it, try now, whatever it would say. Add to Chrome. Do not get this one. Okay? It's this one right here. Okay, awesome. Now that you have that, we're ready to begin. Launch the Chrome RDP, and you want to get the username and the server. So get your notepad document out, or wherever you have the RDP saved, and copy this guy over. Hit continue or connect. Now for me, I already have the username and password automatically saved. So yes, this is what you'd have to do. Enter the username that is provided and then the password that you might have set up or the other person had set up. Now, hit OK. This program is a little laggy, but it's okay. Now you can see that I'm connected to an RDP. Look at that. Send. It's very not laggy, actually, this one at least. So as you can see, this is some information on the computer. This is a server that is based in Oregon. So yes. Now this server has not been used before, as I can see, as you can see here. So it's a fresh computer essentially. You can do basically anything on it. Sometimes, if you can see, you'll be able to see the person using the computer if it's an actual working computer. Now, apparently it's connected to Oracle.com via Ethernet. Server manager. You have stuff like this. And let's just check out some stuff about the system. This is installed RAM 32, it's a 64-bit, and it's on Windows Server 2012. So this is a server. It's an x64 based processor, Intel Xeon, and it's a little bit about it. As you can see in the settings, you can see that remote desktop is actually just not turned on, but allow remote connections is. So yes, this is the RDP. Some computers will be slower than others depending on the RAM that it is installed. So yes, I hope everyone enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Now I'll be going over some of the settings that you can do in Chrome RDP to make it full screen and stuff like that. So all we do is hit disconnect. Okay, if we're here, it says options, go to options. Now general, the resolution you can pick to custom or whatever it goes up to, or automatic. I just did full screen colors. I put the highest quality. Time zone is my default time zone set up to your computer. Keyboard, you don't really have to worry about this, so don't worry. Client name, this changes how your RDP client is identified to remote computers. Log messages, don't really have to mess with that. Performance, display desktop wallpaper, display full window drag, menu animation, stuff like that if you wanted to. Hit advanced, all this stuff, storing passwords, which that's just, I think that's fine, because if you're the only one using the PC, then I don't see why there should be a problem storing passwords. And then the certificates, in which I have some of the RDPs. So, for example, this RDP right here is slow. It is very slow. This is an Italian-based RDP, and it is insanely slow, at least for me. So, as you can see, it's super slow right now. And this one has 4 gigs of RAM and stuff like that, so it is going to be slow. So yes. So that's just how I can say how it's laggy and stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about. It can be very laggy at times. Okay. So I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like more, please comment down below what you would like me to make a tutorial on. And it was Lucky. Have a nice day, and yeah, enjoy yourself.